with combination therapy and AI, we will have similar statistics for solid cancers: prostate, breast, ovarian, colorectal, head and neck. We're living in Periclean times right now in medicine. It's going to be unbelievable.
It's interesting that you're talking about a few people with medical backgrounds, because your almost 40-year career has been, super impressive and high impact within the world of medicine. You've shepherded numerous oncology programs from ideation all the way through commercialization. It's hard for people to understand, though, what somebody like you does for a living. Could you take a minute and just uh,
Yeah,
let my audience understand
yeah,
what your exact role is within
yeah,
the treatment and drug community,
yeah,
please?
yeah. It's simple. I realized I wasn't that smart at 18 years of age as a freshman in college. That's the truth of the matter. I was a
Oh boy.
wannabe. Mark, I'm being serious. It's being. I was a wannabe scientist. Actually, as a teenager, I actually invented an orthopedic knee brace. Got some venture capital behind it and tried to make a go of it as a 17-year-old. And even in business school and grad school in finance, I did my thesis of the effects of barometric pressure on serotonin and how that affects decision making on Wall Street. So I have a passion for science, but I really didn't have that missing ingredient that allows you to become a medical doctor, a surgeon, or a pure scientist. But Mark, I realized that you don't have to get the Oscar; you can get a supporting Oscar. And I decided at a very young age that I would support scientists and support doctors. And I was blessed beyond my imagination to get into the right position at the right time. Literally, as you just said, it's going to be, it's 37 years ago, 37 years ago. And from that journey, we have 7 drugs approved at the FDA. If I may, just for a quick second, the reason I got into this industry was in 1968 in Belmore, on Nata Boulevard. There was a young girl. We were playing Ringalivio, like hide and go seek, and we were running, and her wig fell off. She was 6 years old. I'll just mention her first name, Mary. And we were 7 years old. And what do boys and girls do when they see a girl with no hair? We laughed. And a few months later, she died of leukemia. And
Oh,
fast forward, the first drug that I was able to get approved with my partners was a drug called arsenic trioxide. Actually, the first drug approved from China by the US FDA for pediatric leukemia. And that scientist in China became the Minister of Health of China. It's crazy. From 1968, fast forward 35 years, and that was the first drug I got approved for leukemia.
so your primary focus, Peter, has been with regards to cancer, right?
Yeah.
It's really an oncological type of approach here.
Yeah, I mean, we do other things. Our group, the company with my partners at Camelot, BioCapital, we look at everything. We look at autoimmune diseases. We have a drug now for autoimmune disease. We have a pet project in Florida for pediatric mitochondrial genetic disorders, horrific diseases. We're going after one disease called Lee's syndrome. Um, uh, um, uh, uh, you have a lifespan of 3 years. Leber's syndrome, you go blind by age 30. So we're diversified, but oncology is our sweet spot, and we're getting close. We're really, really getting close. I was talking to your producers beforehand. Just a quick statistic, and people could correct me. Uh, if you're a stage 4 leukemia today, you have a 78% chance of survival, stage 4. Not stage 1, not stage 2, stage 4. We're about 8 years away, maybe 10 years, with combination therapy and AI, we will have similar statistics for solid cancers: prostate, breast, ovarian, colorectal, head and neck. We're living in Periclean times right now in medicine. It's going to be unbelievable.